Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello mga kaTaz. And for today's video, we're gonna show you how to cook our special recipe for today, our homemade Maja Blanca. It is one of the most favorite desserts, special for us the Filipinos. And here are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our homemade Maja Blanca. We have the cheese or Kraft cheddar cheese, cream, any kind of cream will do, fresh milk, condensed milk, and the kernel corn, our coconut milk powder, or you can use a normal coconut milk, and of course the corn flour. And now we're going to prepare some of our main ingredients. First, we need to cut our cheddar cheese into cubes. You can use also any kind of cheddar cheese as per your choice, mga kaTaz. And then prepare an empty container with water to liquefy our corn flour. In this process, you can use a normal coconut milk. Just mix it well, mga kaTaz. And now we need to prepare an empty casserole for our next ingredients, and that is our condensed milk. And now we're gonna add the coconut milk mixed with corn flour into our condensed milk. Then add also the fresh milk. And then after combining all the liquid ingredients, let's start cooking it, mga kaTaz. Remember always to cook it in a medium-high fire. And then add a little bit of our cheddar cheese. The reason why do we need to have an incessant stirring is to prevent burns, kasi normally po pagka nagluluto tayo ng mga product na ganito, like for example the dairy products, minsan nasusunog po yung ilalim nito, which will cause yung hindi magandang pagkaluto na ating recipe. Haluin lang po natin ang haluin until ma-achieve po natin yung tamang lapot ng ating Maja Blanca. And then pag na-achieve na po natin yung ilapot ng ating niluluto, saka po natin idagdag yung ating kernel corn. And if you would like it to be more tastier, you can use also yung mga fruit cocktails na pwede rin po natin isama siya together with this kernel corn. And then after that, if naihulog na po natin yung ating kernel corn, so you can start adding also our cream. Yung cream po, depende po sa mga brand na gusto nyo ang pwede nyo ilagay. And then lastly, we will gonna put our cheddar Kraft cheese na kinayat natin into cubes. Just keep stirring it and cook our cheese until it melts. And pag na-reach na po natin yung viscosity ng ating niluluto, we can remove it into the fire na, and we can also prepare our empty container para isalin po natin yung ating nilutong Maja Blanca. Just let it cool down, and after some times of cooling it down, get ready to prepare to put it inside the refrigerator kasi mas masarap po yung in-refrigerate natin before serving it, mga kaTaz. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet on my YouTube channel, please hit it up and press the notification bell to update you for all my vlogs in the future. Thank you.